our vacation starts now, and we will go to Vilnius in Lithuania. Basically, I am now here in Gardemon Airport. So now we are after check-in and pass over the scanner. But now I'm going to our gate. So actually, it's my fourth times today going to Vilnius. So I'm very excited because vacation.
Norādes par avārijas sistēmu apgaismojumu lidostām, kā arī citu svarīgu informāciju. Drošības karte atrodas sēdekļa kabatā jūsu priekšā. Elektroniskajām ierīcēm jābūt izslēgtām vai lidojuma režīmā.
So at last, guys, we arrived here in Vilnius Airport. So now we're gonna proceed to take our luggage. So welcome to Vilnius, here in Lithuania. So at last, guys, we are already arrived here in the apartment. So we're gonna stay here for a week or more. And here it looks like. So guys, we are now here. So we have already menu. It's an it's a soya Asian fusion. And they have also another kind of menu. It's like a combo meals. So this one is like a discounted meals. And they have up to 50% off. Not only clothes have a 50% off, even food here in Lithuania, and it's quite cheap. For €3.99 you can have already one meal. So guys, our order is already here. So this is what I've ordered: a beef strips with mushrooms and carrots, with fried rice, and my sister-in-law ordered sweet and sour pork with fried rice as well, and my husband is ramen noodle soup. Bon appetit! Labas Vakares, Vilnius. So guys, I am now here in the Vilnius city center. So here is the Vilnius main church, and at the same time there is the cathedral clock tower. So this is very popular when you are coming to Vilnius. People or tourists won't miss this place because this is the main attractions here in Vilnius. And now it's 8 o'clock and 8:30 actually in the evening, and still it's very bright. And I don't know if you can see the moon. There is already a moon, but there, as you can see on my head, this one, it's a big moon actually. So it's very nice in here. So what I like here in in Lithuania in general is like, especially here in Vilnius, wherever you are, it's a lot of restaurants around. It's very cheap, and I mean, it's very affordable, and every time they serve a delicious food. I can see around that more and more here in Europe, and I can see here also in Vilnius that it's a lot of electric scooter that people can rent it out and go around to city center. So it's very accessible. It's very easy to visit in every destinations here in Vilnius, because every tourist spot is quite close around. So actually there is a castle at the back of this church. So last summer I went there also. It's very nice because you can see around the city center on top view, and at the same time in front of this there is a 3 crosses. So here on this time a lot of people walking around, and kids doing skateboarding. So guys, as I've said, so here is the Glenelg Castle. So I went there last summer, and it's very nice because as you can see around the city center on that view. So here, as you can see there, I can show you, you can take a 360 panoramas view around. So now we are here at the Cattedelle restaurant. It's a Lithuanian cuisine, and guess what we ordered? Of course, cepelene, one of the most popular cuisine here in Lithuania, as I've said before. So and they said that, or the waitress said that it's a quite big portion in one serving. So let's see how big it is. And at the same time we ordered one order of ribs with potatoes on the side. So now we are waiting for our orders, and yeah, we had already drinks, but we need to wait for a few moments. So guys, at last our order is already coming. I thought that this waitress is only joking, but cepelene, how it looks like, it's so huge. I don't know if I could finish this. It's very, very big. It's almost more than a kilo, all in all. So this is Lithuanian cepelene. It's made with the potato, and there is ground meat inside. Yeah, and at the same time for the sauce, this is a sour cream sauce with fried bacon. So it's really creamy, mouth-watering. So at the same time, here is the ribs with fried potatoes, and at the same time with salad on the side. So bon appetit! Let's try the Lithuanian cepelene. Oh, it's so huge. Let me show you how this is the ground meat inside, very juicy. So hot. So creamy. Yummy. is a TV tower. This is the Gediminas Castle. So we came over on this area. So this is the Cathedral Church under of this castle. So here is the Cathedral Church. This is the Cathedral Tower. So yes. So over there is the Old Town, Vilnius Old Town. So we went there last night. I find these cherry blossoms all over in here is only white, but it's very beautiful. It's really beautiful. I love cherry blossoms. I don't need to go to Japan or